Hi guys, thanks for watching today. This is Amy, WicklessAmy, and I'm going to go over my fancy pretty box that came in. We go to a convention every year. We call it Scentsy Family Reunion. And so they ship us a bunch of goodies before we leave. It's got our pretty Scentsy logo, and there's cutouts. So you can see all the pretty colors. This year's theme is called Reflections. So here's my program. We're having it in Charlotte, North Carolina this year. So I got a program guide. I've got a pretty notebook. I even made a heart on the front. Just blank pages so I can take notes while we are meeting and studying. All right. We got an exclusive scent circle. I don't know what it smells like yet. I've been told that it is fruity. I'll have to open that. We get a lanyard every year, which you can imagine. So there's the case. Mine's a pretty blue with all the shapes on it. My name tag. And it has our schedule on the back, which I think is really cool, and it makes it nice and easy. I've got all my little labels that go, they stack your achievements down. They're called ribbons. The shirt, everyone gets a matching shirt. This year it's blue. It's my favorite color. But it matches the theme. I'm excited to wear it. Blue. And on the back, hi princess, I'm on a video.
Recording a video, mommy. Please me playing crossing because I got off.
Yes, my dear, love you.
But you have to check your mail first.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, because you have to see my surprise I gave you.
Okay.
The mail.
Thank you. Let me finish. I know, you're adorable.
I'm adorable with this. I'm gonna do the video.
Okay, so the inside of the box is still going this way. There's a hole. Those are all of our fragrance family icons. We have 7 fragrance families. I love citrus and fruity. And so this year they're doing something different. You tell them #1 fragrance and they send you the shirt that matches. So I picked citrus, not knowing it's orange.
Yeah.
But it has a orange slice on it. Ooh. So that's my kit. I'm really excited to go. It's at the end of the month. And I will share with you all of the goodies and surprises when I can. So thanks for watching.